For my career, I'm really interested in being at the intersection of technology and medicine.
So the biodesign approach is a little bit different in the bigger scheme of biomedical engineering in that it really focuses on solving sort of short-term or immediate-term needs.
Because when we're in the clinical space, we're really focused on the patient and the delivery of care, that is, the standard of care, the status quo. But when you take a step back from the patient care experience and you think about, is what we're doing really making a difference for patients? And this program has really given me the opportunity to kind of step into that mind space and really think about how to better deliver care for patients.
The classes we have here really teach you you can go about this a million different ways. You could be right, you could be wrong, but if you can sort of justify your thinking, you're approaching this from the right perspective. I do want to delve more into problem solving as opposed to just looking for the right answer.
They come back to the lab and sort of develop solutions to the things that they see, and then they work on commercialization and business development for it. So they get exposed to a lot of new things that they haven't seen before.
As a medical student, it's been really interesting to interface with graduate level students who are studying in the biomedical engineering field. It's about kind of marrying our strengths and then finding how we work best as a team together. Seeing how specific aspects of the real world shows up in our classes, especially in senior design. We have to also talk about how are we regulating it? How are we planning to launch it if we were to launch it? We had to do a lot of needs development or needs identification. So speaking with surgeons who are subject matter experts in their field and just asking what problems are you seeing? What issues are you facing? And then using that real problem to come up with a solution.
And so that connection between physicians and practitioners and providers close to engineering where they can communicate, they can go back and forth to validate solutions that they're developing is really a critical component to it. And it doesn't exist in a lot of places. This experience has been really awesome and an experience that isn't replicable at any other medical school. I don't want to be just a doctor. I want to be a doctor who knows how to speak the language of innovation and engineering and be able to translate the advances in technology and engineering to make a difference for patients.